Alright, today we're doing a nature video. Let's find some bugs. Well, there we go. Hey, little guy. You're cool. You're mine. Look at us. He's looking at us. Touched him. Let's look around on the ground, see if you want to see anything cool. Let me know and I'll find out in the next video. I swear the last time I saw a feather, I'd do a fire here. Let's go to my house that's being built. There's a fort that had like bugs on it. Later, probably go see a wasp that is dead. Because I'm not getting stung. Because I'm 11. Almost 12. It's like 5th month. This is like the 5th month of the year, so I've only got like 7 months. Oh, let's say hi to the ant. Well, here's Buddy the slug. That guy is huge. Yoink. Ew, he's so slimy. Oh, there's his brother. Hey, what's up? There's his other friend, Mr. Sluggo. There's some ants in here. Yep, there was an ant in there. Let's find out. It's another slug. More ants. Another ant. No. There's a friend. What's the bug over there? Let's go find her. I will see probably in the next video in like 3 days. But I gotta go. See ya.